If size doesn't really matter to you but performance does, check this out. This is the UNID Ultra Thin Magnetic Fast Charging Power Bank. Sobrang trending nito ngayon. May 5,000 to 12,000 mAh capacity depende sa choice mo. And naka 22.5 fast charging power naman yung speed. This power bank can be used either naka-wire or magnetic. But unlike other wireless power bank, this one has 20 watts power output. So technically para ka rin naka-wire. But what makes it even more interesting is yung 0.65 cm ultra thin size niya na halos kasya na sa wallet natin. This power bank saves more space than any other brands na nagamit ko. Ang ganda pa ng design, grabe. Metal frosted yung casing, round corners, and very formal tignan. This is perfect for daily use, business trips, or meetings, plus flight approved na rin siya na pasok sa airline regulations. Panalong-panalo din dahil sa strong magnetic suction ng power bank na to. This is also compatible sa mga low power gadgets natin like earbuds, smartwatches, and more. Nakasale to ngayon guys, kaya if gusto mo rin,